Hi, church family. Robin and I have missed seeing your smiling faces, and we are looking forward to all being together again when it's safe to do so. Many of you may not know that I work for the Cuyahoga County Board of Health and have been busy with COVID-19 related activities since shortly after the pandemic began. We are celebrating the fact that the vaccine is finally here and have been busy vaccinating people in the group called Phase 1A. That included healthcare workers who care for people who have COVID-19, EMTs, and people who live in congregate living situations like skilled nursing facilities, assisted living situations, group homes, and psychiatric institutions. All of those people are at increased risk of getting COVID-19, and it was important that we vaccinate them first. But now we're getting ready to start the next group, which is going to include older citizens, people who have certain genetic conditions, and teachers who work in schools K through 12. That is going to start soon, and the governor announced today that he has a very specific plan as to who is going to get vaccinated and in what order. The Cuyahoga County Board of Health is going to be vaccinating in a situation that we call a pod. It's a point of distribution center where we will be at a certain facility on a given day. You'll be able to make an appointment, drive in, get your vaccine, and leave. Those pods are going to be all over Cuyahoga County to make it easy to get to. As soon as I know what the schedules are going to be, I will pass that information along. It'll either be in a video presentation like this or through an email, so that you will have hopefully several different opportunities to come and get the vaccine. I know that they've talked about having Walgreens and CVS be able to give vaccines. I'm sure the City of Cleveland's Board of Health is going to be giving vaccines, and there may be situations where you can go to local hospitals to get vaccines. I may not know of all of those, but I will know what happens at the Cuyahoga County Board of Health, and I will be glad to share that with you. In the meantime, it's really important that you stay safe, and you can do that by keeping your distance from people who you don't live with and wearing your mask in public. It's a great way to show people that you care about them.
Good morning, Lee Heights. We just got back from getting our vaccines for COVID, and we're so happy to see all the employees at Metro getting their vaccines and sharing why it was important. We're going to show a quick video of us getting the vaccine ourselves.
Okay, for picture taking purposes.
Yeah, smile with your eyes.
Smile with your eyes.
Yeah. See how good it feels.
Where's your congregation?
Lee Heights, which is on my road.
Okay.
Yeah, Southeast Cleveland.
Wow, I didn't feel anything.
Yeah.
That's pretty great.
Okay.
Oh, here, I'll have to come over. I don't want to block you, but sorry.
No, you're good.
And can you let your arm just hang nice and loose? It'll help with any soreness.
Hi. Good morning. How are you?
A little poke.
How are you?
You're all set.
Just want to emphasize again how important this is to halt the spread of COVID. We know COVID has killed over 350,000 people in our country alone, and when you look at when you balance out getting the shot versus getting the disease, you're much better off getting the shot, and you prevent yourself from spreading it to other people. Even if you get the infection and don't have symptoms, you can still spread it to other people. So please get the shot. If you want more information about the safety of the vaccine, please contact us. This vaccine has been made in a way that is safer than vaccines that have been made previously. So we're happy to share that information.
And Nathan gave a pretty detailed explanation of the shot on December 20th.
But this too is about love. Loving your neighbor as yourself. The second part of that verse in Matthew. Loving your neighbor means doing what you can to avoid exposing them to COVID-19. And right now that means wearing a mask and keeping your distance physically, although maybe not socially. Soon it will mean getting the vaccine to prevent COVID from getting a foothold in your body, which if left unchecked can cause you to become a spreader of the virus. So here's what you need to know about the vaccine. First, there is no COVID virus in the vaccine at all. It is a man-made copy of a small part of the outer structure or wall of the virus. When this copy is injected into our bodies, our immune system, that part of our bodies that fights off infection, goes into action. Our immune system examines these parts, these copies, and then manufactures antibodies and T cells to attack this copy. Since it is a copy of a part of the virus cannot reproduce or multiply in our bodies, and although it takes a few days to eliminate the copy from our bloodstream, our wise immune system has kept a file at the ready. So if the virus enters our body, it is prepared. Now there is no examination phase. It recognizes, then attacks the virus. This attack causes a breach in the wall of the virus, and then the whole immune system can get inside and kill the virus before it can get a toehold in your body. So you don't get sick and you don't become infectious.
This is a small little thing to do that can really make an impact on the health of the world and especially on our local communities. So get your COVID shot when it's your turn. Thanks. Have a great week. Stay safe. Love you.